Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your history on Facebook. First, understanding what this history entails is crucial for managing your digital footprint effectively. This feature, known as Off-Facebook Activity, records interactions you have with businesses and organizations away from the platform. Clearing it means you can better control your personal information and improve your online privacy. To begin, open the Facebook application on your device and tap the menu icon, typically 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture. From there, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Continue scrolling to locate your information, where you will find Off-Facebook Activity. Tapping this option reveals the data Facebook has gathered from outside its platform, allowing you to review it. Once inside Off-Facebook Activity, you will see a summary of all the apps and websites that have shared your data with Facebook. To manage specific entries, tap on Manage Activity. Here, you can individually select the services you wish to disconnect or remove from your history. Simply choose the unwanted items and then confirm to clear only those specific records, maintaining control over your information. If you prefer to remove all your Off-Facebook Activity in one go, simply tap the Clear History button directly within the main Off-Facebook Activity page. This comprehensive action will disconnect all past interactions from your Facebook account. A confirmation prompt will appear, ensuring you understand that this will erase all previously recorded data. Once confirmed, your entire Off-Facebook Activity history will be cleared permanently from the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.